This is Proton Pass, and you're going to know exactly how to use it after this Proton Pass tutorial. No more passwords in Notes or browser autofill. This is just as easy, but much safer. Naturally, to learn how to use Proton Pass, you'll need a subscription to follow along. If you don't have one, I've left the discount link in the description, or just scan this QR code. Both will lead you to the official page with a special deal applied. The main Proton Password Manager plan is called Plus. You can choose whether to pay monthly or yearly, with yearly plans giving you a much better rate. The Plus plan unlocks the full Proton Pass Password Manager experience. You can safely store and share logins, autofill them, get alerts about personal data leaks, and access a few extra perks too, like hide my email aliases, which I'll show you later in this Proton Pass tutorial. There's also the Proton Family plan, which is pretty much the same as Pass Plus, but for 6 users instead of 1. That lowers the price per person quite a bit. Proton Pass also has a free plan, although it's more limited and comes with fewer security features, supported by the profits from premium subscriptions. Or you can go with the ultimate plan if one Proton product isn't enough for you. That includes their VPN, email, calendar, and more. It's basically a full privacy ecosystem. Still, I'd recommend starting with the main Pass Plus or Family plans. They're really affordable if you use the discount below. Then just follow the steps to create your account. After that, you'll need to download the Proton Pass app. Desktop users can get it directly from the official site and follow the installation instructions. If you want Proton Pass on mobile, the website will redirect you to your phone's app store, where you can simply install it. And I definitely recommend installing the browser extension if you want your password vault just one click away while browsing. You can also import passwords from other password managers or even browsers through the Proton Pass extension. There are detailed guides for this on Proton's support page, so I won't go too deep into it since the process depends on where your passwords are coming from. But generally, it's as simple as exporting a file with your data from your previous password manager and importing it into Proton Pass. Now, once you open the vault, you'll see all your logins if you imported them. To manually add new items, click the plus button next to the search bar and choose the type of item you want to create. Then just fill in the details and save it right here. By the way, on mobile, it's pretty much the same, except the plus button for adding new items is located in the bottom menu. As you sign up for more websites and apps over time, you won't need to manually add them anymore. If you install the Proton Pass browser extension or enable autofill on mobile, you'll get an autosave prompt whenever you create a new login. It'll also suggest autofilling saved logins, credit card fields, and even address fields. Honestly, to me, this is the biggest perk of a password manager. No more copying and pasting or trying to remember passwords. You can just log in with a couple of clicks and move on. Now, when signing up for something, you also won't need to create strong passwords yourself anymore. There's a password generator that handles that for you. It automatically follows strong password best practices, but you can still customize things like length and character types. Another essential feature is Pass Monitor, located here on the left-hand menu of the desktop app. It includes Dark Web Monitor, which checks whether your data has been exposed online. And below that is Password Health Monitoring. It shows weak or reused passwords. I used to have a ton of those, but you can fix them little by little. Just start with your important accounts first, like email or banking. Or for even stronger security, you can convert passwords into passkeys, at least on websites that support them. A passkey logs you into a website or app by verifying your identity instead of requiring a password. And if there's no password, there's nothing for hackers to steal. You'll need to set up a passkey on the website you want to use it on, then choose to save it in Proton Pass. You'll see a pop-up in the top right corner of your screen where you can save the passkey. The next time you open that site, Proton will prompt you to log in through it. Overall, Proton makes everything feel intuitive. You'll get the hang of it pretty much as soon as you start using the app. Just don't forget to use the discount code to get the best price. However, I still have a few more things to show you regarding how to use Proton Pass, mainly features that not everyone will need, but a lot of you probably will. Like password sharing. Just choose the item you want to share and click the share button right here. Then enter the person's email address if they use Proton Pass. You can also share entire vaults with other Proton Pass users, which is especially useful for family accounts or shared logins. If you want to send something to someone who doesn't use Proton Pass, you can generate a secure link and set expiration dates or viewing limits. There's also a built-in Two-Factor Authenticator. Instead of relying on third-party apps like Google Authenticator, you can store and autofill 2FA codes directly within this password manager, which makes two-factor authentication much easier to use. Just don't use the Proton Pass Authenticator to log into your Proton Pass vault itself. For extra vault security, you can set up a separate third-party authenticator app. There's also an option to enable biometrics, which I especially like on mobile because it makes logging in super convenient. But keep in mind that premium accounts are protected with Proton Sentinel, a 24/7 monitoring system that combines AI with human security analysts to help prevent account takeovers. So your account security is already very strong even without enabling 2FA. I also mentioned hide my email aliases earlier in this password manager tutorial. This feature hides your real email address by creating forwarding aliases. That way you can use them for signups on websites where you don't want to share your actual email. You can create aliases by selecting them as a new item or directly through Proton Pass autofill while browsing. Just click the Proton Pass autofill icon inside the email field and select create an alias. The emails you receive will still forward to your real inbox. And if you ever want to stop using an alias, you can deactivate it to stop forwarding or delete it completely. And now you know how to use Proton Pass. Or at least I hope this served as a solid Proton Pass review. The main takeaway is that this password manager is both highly secure and really easy to use, so I definitely recommend it. If you decide to try it out, make sure to use the discount links below and go enjoy your upgraded security. Thanks for watching.